Welcome to the Meditation Explainer series. Today we are exploring why you might see meditation practitioners or teachers bow and what you should do when that occurs. We understand that in Western culture, bowing can seem a sign of subservience, or it can be interpreted as if you're showing weakness to the other party. It might make you feel uncomfortable, or you may not know what to do when someone bows to you. Quite simply, bowing is a sign of greeting, respect, appreciation, or gratitude. Bowing occurs regularly in Buddhism, but there are similar gestures in other types of practices. You are under no obligation to bow back, but you may find that it can become part of your ritual before engaging in meditation practice. There is a lot to be said for the rituals that we create in preparing ourselves for practice, as it signals to our bodies and minds that we're about to connect to a new frame of being. So next time when someone bows to you in greeting, or if they bow prior to practice, you can decide for yourself whether you want to engage in this greeting or if you wish to use bowing as a part of your personal rituals for meditation practice. And remember, if you have another burning question, the Contemplative Study Centre are here to help. And as always, we wish you an enriching meditation experience.